Saturday, February 22nd, 2012, here at the Golden Spike National Monument. Carl and Yanning learning that how many thousand? 12,000 Chinese people came here in the 1860s to finish the railroad. Huh.
Hi, yeah.
And then Mr. Beebe came here, otherwise known as Carl Jianhua.
Jianhua. He looked at the camera.
Oh, there's a special birdie over that one.
Yeah.
Raven. You can tell ravens by their deep call. And also their bigger birdies.
Resting system. You can imagine going down the line, especially in the case of the Jupiter, you have very flammable fuel, ash and cinders coming up out of that fire that are coming up out of the top. You're going to have cars that are flammable, going over bridges through town, catch a lot of fire. So you wanted to try to keep down sparks. In newer technology with the 119, pretty much all of the spark arresting system is in that smoke box, in that front section. That's why it's so much longer. It's almost like a maze that all has to transfer through and go out through before it comes out of the top. Whereas in the Jupiter, and on top of that stack, you have a smaller straight stack, a plate that helps to knock down that ash and cinders, hopefully trapping it all in your funnel shape, and then a screen over the top. Did they still start fires? For sure. Actually, our newer technology, 119, started a fire here on site. So if you've ever heard somebody say you came from the wrong side of the tracks, or somebody came from the wrong side of the track, that came from the railroading industry. If you were downwind, that's where those ash and cinders might go out, catch a fire. Also, the black soot and everything's going to cover all the buildings. So downwind of the tracks is the poorer neighborhood.
Wow.
You don't want to spend as much on your buildings getting it all covered or having it go up in flames. So in that poorer neighborhood, there's going to be more crime, and that's where the wrong side of the tracks turn cancer.
Huh. Interesting. Huh. Interesting, yeah.
I'd like to thank you folks for coming out today. If you have any other questions or want to take pictures with your group all together with the locomotives,